Here's my latest and my greatest little acquisition. Dali. It's the Three Graces of Cosa Dior, which I had never even heard of before, but signed in pencil, lithograph, 48 of 90. See that little indentation? And that is gold. And look at this little lovely surprise on the back from that embossing. Very textured. In a very nice frame. I'm really loving it.